你有錢，是無？
A statement followed by
是無？
such as
你有錢，是無？
has many shades of meaning according to the context, circumstances, or the way it is said. This form is used to make sure of a fact or to show one's doubt or surprise. Observe the difference between the following sets.
你有錢無？
Simple question. Have you any money? I don't know whether or not you have any.
你有錢，是無？
You have some money, haven't you? To make sure. Or, you haven't any money, have you? I don't believe you have any. Or, it is surprising that you should have money.
你要去台北無？
Will you go to Taipei?
你要去台北，是無？
Are you going to Taipei? They say that you are going to Taipei. Simple question or to make sure. Or, are you going to Taipei? It is a surprise that such a hick as you is going to Taipei alone. Or, do you mean to say that you are going to Taipei? I won't allow you to go.